Hey, welcome back to another vlog. This morning the electrician couldn't come to do the work in the kitchen, which means we can't move forward in here. So we have a bit of an in-between day, which means we are gonna start doing some work in this room. To start building the construction for the cold plunge next to the sauna. And we might maybe do some work on the angle of the bathroom ceiling as well. We'll see. So cue the time lapse of us building the plunge. So I thought I would show you our local village. This is the local elementary school. This is the town square. Today they have a market here. They usually do these, I think, once a week or twice a week. I think Monday and Fridays. Not sure actually. Anyway, so this is the local square, as I said. That's the communal building, and over here is the church. Okay, it's not really visible today since the market is here, and on down this street we have the local butcher, pastry shop, etc. Down this road behind me is where the our house is, and that's the town church. I'd like to say a thank you to Paul for sending me coffee. I went and bought coffee, so a big thank you to Paul. Much appreciated. I have such a lovely spring day here today, and the lizards are out again. Usually they spend time here in the sun with the dogs. So Anna is clearing out the last of the hay. the cleanest job. So what we're doing is taking out the heights for the bottom of the bathtub, cold plunge, and we're just going to measure so that we get a slight angle for the water to drain. And the dog's taking a short break, or the dogs are always taking a break, but Anna is taking a break. Such a nice day. It's 20 degrees and sunny today. Unfortunately, I'm stuck in the stables. Tony, not Jimmy. And one dusty wife. Some horrible job. Hey. And with that, I'm gonna end it. Not sure I'm gonna do a vlog tomorrow. I'm gonna let the days and how much content I film decide whether or not I make daily vlogs or every other day or whatever. With that, I'm gonna end it. See you guys maybe tomorrow, maybe not, maybe the day after. Ciao!